Hey guys, Dylan here. I'm doing a what's inside video. This is kind of stupid. Don't do this at home. I just have an extra charger and it seemed to broke up here, so I might as well break it anymore. Here's what you need: scissors or a knife, and a pencil, and obviously a camera like this. Do not do this at home. It is very dangerous. It could electrocute you really badly. This is not video cord. This is just my charging cord. It's right here, end to end. I'm gonna cut one about there and right there. Alrighty. Take your scissors, find the spot. Gotta be extremely careful when cutting. Try to keep your fingers off. Right there, folks. It's inside one of those. This part chopped off. And now let's go with this one. Once again, being really careful. Here's a chopped out end. Ooh, that's kind of like rough. Pull this out. And this is like the charging part of it. Now you have an extremely weird cord. Throw those away immediately. And I'm going to probably put a link in the description to my cousin's channel and videos. So stay tuned for them. I'm still trying to figure it out. So, yeah. Any questions, comments, concerns, down in the link, right down there, bio, down there. And just that in the corner, like let's say this is the corner, doop. It should make your screen smaller, obviously, because that's like your home page of watching a video. Touchdown, red button, about this big. It's red, it says subscribe with the play button on it. Hit that, hit the bell with and then say send me post notifications so you know when I upload. And I might start vlogging soon. I'm just waiting for this one sport to end, and then yeah. Any challenges you want me to do? YouTubing challenges. It needs to be. I'm only 10. My mom won't let me do like the pranks. I can prank a few people, like saran wrap the toilet and all that. Just get one of these. These things are amazing. I got mine off of Amazon. They're really amazing for like airports. It's a charger. Goes all the way up here onto your iPad or phone or whatever you need it for. Really nice. One spot here. Hold this 77% before this thing dies, not what this is. And questions, concerns. If I don't put that link in the description or anything, don't be mad at me. I don't quite know how to do it. And that's what's inside a charger. It wasn't very too exciting. Tell me what else I should do. Maybe I should do what's inside one of these. Should I cut one of these open? Yeah, I'm going to do one right now. I'm going to get a knife for this, though. myself a big mess. Holy crap. And yeah, and then you're probably going to need your knife washed. Kind of a waste of time doing that. Thank you for watching. Link in the description. Hit the red button. Whoops. Red button. I think it's like right here on the screen, maybe. I don't know. This is my point of view right here. Thumbs up. Hit the thumbs up. That's this, not this, and they don't even have this. Now, I know this one thing did get deleted. That was because YouTube deleted it. I didn't delete it. I think it was my first ever vlog. So YouTube deleted that channel. Now I have this one right here. And then one video, my first video, was deleted by YouTube because they thought it wasn't kid-friendly, even though all I was saying was introduction and who I am. I will be doing YouTube challenge, like that spin for, I think it's jelly beans. Not really supposed to have them, but I'm gonna get away with it. That's it for now. Bye.